Hello friends, it's Miss Jordan with Children's Museum Tucson, and today's science experiment is pumpkin spice Play-Doh, just in time for the end of fall. So to get started, I have a saucepan on the stove. I haven't turned it on yet. First, I'm going to put in all of my ingredients, and then I will turn my stove to medium. Okay, so first things first, 1 cup of flour. Right in there. Next, 1 cup water. Fabulous. Then a 1/4 cup salt. There we go. All right, then a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Okay, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar. So we're going to do 1 for cream of tartar and 2. Then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and this is where our Play-Doh is going to get its smell. There we go. All right, and then the last step is food coloring, and that is optional. You can choose to do food coloring if you want. I would like my Play-Doh to have a little tint of orange, so I am going to add in red and yellow. And then we'll turn on the stove. All right. So I'm going to add in a couple drops of yellow. I added in more than a couple, actually, friends. I added in about 6. So I'm going to do about 6 drops of red. And now I'm going to turn this oven business on to medium. And we are going to wait. So we're going to wait until this whole thing clumps into one big clump. So we're going to start to notice little clumps. See, there are little clumps. We still need to mix in though, because I'm missing some of our flour. So once our dough is one big clump, then it will be ready. And so in the meantime, we're just going to stir it continuously and hope it clumps into one big clump fast. And that's it, friends. That's how you make pumpkin spice Play-Doh at home. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have fun playing with it. Have a great day.